In this video, we will see how to respond to a customer RFQ step by step. After logging into your Mesh account, click on Quotes. Here you will see two sections, Invited and Public Bids. Invited contains RFQs sent directly to you, whereas Public Bids displays all publicly available RFQs. Find the RFQ you want to respond to and click on it. Here you can see everything the customer has shared about this requirement. Review it carefully before you begin. Start with the Special Requirements section. Update the details as needed, add your comments, and click Save. This is where you confirm your understanding of the customer's requirement, so be as clear as possible. Some RFQs require a signed NDA before the bid documents can be released. If an NDA is required, click to download the customer's NDA. Review the document, sign it, and then upload the signed copy back to the platform. Once you submit the signed NDA, it is sent directly to the customer for approval, and the status will show as pending for approval. After the customer approves your NDA, you'll be able to access the bid documents. These include the drawings, specifications, and any supporting files the customer has attached. Now you can prepare your quote. Fill in your pricing, lead times, and any other required details, then click Submit. And that's it. Your quote has been submitted, and you're one step closer to winning new business. If you need any clarification at any point, use the discussion module to send your message directly to the customer. Your questions go straight to the buyer, so there's no need to follow up over email. If you have any questions about responding to an RFQ, please reach out to us at supportmeshworks.com or visit meshworks.com for more resources.